Let's talk about some of the most important map locations for today. Now, Charo Island is located at the Mandovi River in the region of Goa, and this is known for the various local varieties of mango being grown here. Also, the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary is located here. So, two of the most important reasons why which Charo Island becomes very important in news. The next is Bilafon La Pass. It is also known as the Saltoro Pass. Now, this is on the Saltoro Ridge, and it's very important now in light of the Indo-China dispute. This has further come to light, and it was between the Shimla Agreement at the end of the LOC. You have this pass that was well defined, and anciently it was a part of the ancient China Silk Route. Okay, so again, very historically very important. Niwari district is located in the region of Madhya Pradesh. Now, Niwari is a newly formed part of the Tikamgarh district, and it is the smallest district of Madhya Pradesh. So again, becomes very important. The next important location that is there are the various pharmaceutical hubs. These were part of the down to earth edition and were known for the high amount of pollution that have been seen. So Baddi in Himachal Pradesh, you have Patancheru and Bolaram in the regions of Telangana, and Kudalur in the regions of Tamil Nadu. The next is in the region of Kalahandi district, you have Dharmagad in Odisha state. Now here you had the transportation of the bamboos that become a major issue during the lockdown, and there was a kind of massive order which was reduced, but it couldn't be fulfilled because of the ongoing lockdown. The next is the Purulia district located in the region of West Bengal. It is one of the major lak producing region and a major exporting hub. So production of lak is very important. It is one of the forest produce and a non-timber forest produce that is seen. The next is Bhakra Dam. Now, Bhakra Dam is located at the Bilaspur region. Now, why it was in news? Because there has been a significant sedimentation rate that has been seen, and it is much more higher than original rate that was assumed to be. As a result, it is believed that the service life of Bhakra Dam would reduce to nearly half in the next 47 years. So again, an important issue, and therefore was in news. Hirakund Dam in Odisha has seen the drier canals that are there because of the drought condition and water crisis that has affected the regions of Odisha. Malda district again in West Bengal, second district that we are talking about. The previous one was Purulia. Now, Malda, you have a lot of issues regarding the sanitation workers, and the PPE protection that was to be given to the workers was adequate amount of protection that was not there, and hence there was a severe revolt. The next is the Nuh district in the region of Haryana. Now here you have seen significant amount of water stress that was there. Now, because of this water stress, what was there, you have check dams that have been created by village and the common people through a kind of collaborative support, and this has changed the region here and solve the problem. The next is Vishakhapatnam. Now, this is a very important location in line with the Bhopal gas tragedy. So here at the polymer LJ factory, you had the leakage of styrene gas that was seen. In Bhopal, you had the leakage of methyl isocyanide gas that was seen. So Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh and Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh have been very significantly, and we could say now historically important places. Namely, again you have two boilers that exploded, and it was at the NLC India Limited thermal station. So it again injured nearly 8 people. The next is Tetla village. Now, Tetla village lies in Raigad district in Chhattisgarh. A toxic gas was leaked here, and that was at the Shakti paper mill. Numerous laborers were injured The next is Gudalia village. Now Gudalia village is located in Jaipur. Again important because of the hailstorm in the months of May, you had severe damages to the crops that was seen in the Gudalia village. The next is Banda district in Uttar Pradesh. Now Banda district, you have rabi crops that are grown, but of the total rabi crops, a significant proportion is being seen by black grams, and black grams is one of the major crops that are grown here. However, because of the rain, you have significant losses in Banda that was witnessed. The next is Uttar Kannada. Uttar Kannada district is the region where you have teak plantations that have been coming up, and because of these teak plantations, you have drying up of the water levels that are seen. The next is Khokrajar. Khokrajar is located in Assam, where you have Yapi Gongo, which is being added along with salt and ginger to boost immunity, and it's considered as one of the Ayush therapies there. So again important. The next is Jind in Haryana. You have small farmers who are creating employment opportunities not only for themselves but also for the people working there, and one farmer now takes up to more than 35 acres of land with the agriculture. So there have been employment opportunity which have been increased from 1 to 4 people. The next is Balasore district. In the Balasore district of Odisha, you have the Tenda Gaon. Now Tenda Gaon has been infected by malaria, and there has been significant efforts that have been done by the ASHA workers there in view to control this situation. The next is the Khosi Khala village. This is located in the Ludhiana district of Punjab, and you have Balwinder Kaur, who has been working here for promoting the health and the wellness blocks, and therefore has brought about great success in the region. So these were some of the 20 most important locations that we have covered. Each of those, the sources have been mentioned. So we would be covering many interesting map locations in the upcoming classes. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.